What's up guys, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to show you how to implement the economy bot, okay, the long awaited economy bot. So the first step to that, I'm going to get into more complicated commands in the future, but the first step to that is we really just have to make balance. We have to give each user a certain amount of balance, coins, basically their wallet. And then we're going to want to implement a command so they can see their balance. So if you followed from the last video, we added the user schema and we added this new models folder, and we now have this user schema. So now we can just add any properties we want to this and it will automatically update. And then we also have this DB for our user helper functions. So now just to go take a step into the economy bot world, okay, let's just start with the basic balance command. You can also follow my old balance command, but this video, guys, is for like the new people who are following this new 2024 going into 2025 tutorial series so that we can all be caught up to the same level. So let's get right into it. And before we start, don't forget, you can go to evenmorecode.com and you can get my latest source code and see my latest videos. There's also a link to join the Discord there. So yeah, evenmorecode.com, and the source code will always be available there. So let's get started. So go to the user model, okay, and we are going to add a new balance value on each user. So this will represent how much money they have. You can call this money, you can call this wallet, you can call this currency, you can call this meow points. You can call this really anything you want. For simplicity, I'm going to say balance because that just follows along with what I did before, but you guys can do whatever you want. Call it whatever you call your currency in your bot, but remember guys, whatever you call it here is you'll have to reference that everywhere else in your code. So I'm going to do a default value of the balance, and I'm going to give each user 10, okay, maybe 5 coins this time, okay? Each user is going to start with 5 coins when they first start. So yeah, that's basically it. Then let's go over to commands. Okay, we're going to create a new command. I'm going to create a new folder in my commands folder just to keep, organization. If you don't have subfolders, that's totally fine. Just add this command wherever you add your commands. But I'm going to specifically add economy commands. And my first economy command is going to be balance.js. So we will get started with that command, and let's just do the const / command builder, okay, / command builder equals require, and then we're going to take discord.js, and then we're going to say module.exports equals blah 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 data new / command builder. You guys are probably pretty experts at this now. We're going to set the name of the command. I'm going to call this the balance command. You can call this whatever your heart desires. And then we're going to set a description. We're just going to say shows you your balance. And again, be creative, hopefully more creative than me, and can come up with a better description. But just for ease of use, I'm going to go with that. Then we're going to do the execute, and we're going to take interaction. And then this is where we get to take in our user data that we implemented from the last video. So I'll just show you where that comes from. User data is passed in from our index file in our command handler. Right when we execute the command, we pass an interaction, but then we also get the user data, which we created in our helper functions to get or create a user. So if this user doesn't already exist, it will create them. If they already exist, it will just get their current profile. We save that into a variable called user data, and then we pass it into all of our commands. So that way in the execute command, we can always take this as an extra parameter if we want to use that in the command. So then all we're going to say, if you want to extract balance out, we can say const balance we can say equals user data. So that's extracting it out. You can also say user data dot balance. That works too. How whatever floats your boat is totally fine. And then now we're just going to say await interaction dot reply, and we're going to say your balance is, and then we'll put a little extra money sign, but then this money sign is for the variable, and then we'll just say balance. And that is it. So let's go down here, and we're going to node deploy our commands. It's deployed, we'll start up our bot, and so now hopefully this new balance column will be added to all of our users. So then we're going to go over to our Discord and we're going to do /balance, and it will say your balance is $5. You can do any currency. You can say 5 coins, 5 anything, 5 shards I have seen. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's just how to get up and running. We have now taken that step to get to the economy bot world with our first economy command, the /balance command. Now we can track users. And by the way, of course, guys, this is a multi-guild, multi-server bot. So this balance is tracked in individual servers and not necessarily just globally for each user. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It super duper helps my channel if you guys like and subscribe. And of course you can get the source code in the description below at my website, evenmorecode.com. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.